Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change your profile picture in Discord. So first, of course, we have to open Discord. Then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then go to my account and tap on your current profile picture. Then select an application and then a photo that you would like to set as your profile picture. Let's go with this fox. We can crop it if you want to make it look better, just like that. If you're ready, tap on this button in the top right corner and then simply tap on save. And that's it, we have changed our profile picture in Discord. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.